another one of my favorite easy weeknight meals with my trusty grill pan. Seriously, this thing is so handy. So it's called taco chicken. The recipe itself is actually written to be a barbecue recipe, so you can grill it. To me, I just find it really quick and easy to put it in the grill pan. A lot of times I'll just cut up some zucchini or some squash and throw that in after the chicken is done cooking. Really fast and easy, so we'll just go ahead and get started. Now after I get the chicken all trimmed, I like to cut it into smaller strips. So that's what I've done here, so that they're nice and uniform and cook a little quicker. Unlike what the recipe says, I like to just dump in a packet of taco seasoning. I usually select a 30% lower sodium mix, just because to me other taco seasonings are really salty. A teaspoon of oregano and a tablespoon of olive oil or vegetable oil. The recipe recommends brushing the chicken with the oil. I'm just going to dump it all in here. At this point, you can use your hands or you can get some tongs. I'm just going to use my hands. Our chicken is evenly coated with the seasoning, so I'm going to add some oil to our grill pan and start heating up our grill pan. Since I'm doing the grill pan, I'm going to turn it to medium-high heat. Our pan is hot, so we'll add our chicken. The chicken was browned on one side, so I went ahead and flipped it over. We're going to double check the temperature for doneness with our food thermometer anyway, just to make sure we're good. Our last piece of chicken has reached temperature, so we will remove it from the pan and call this meal done. Enjoy your taco chicken.